A lover is not a traditional partner, but they hold a unique status in society when it comes to passion and intensity. They are a sexual partner without an official title or commitment. While they are less intense and committed than a boyfriend or girlfriend, they are more meaningful than a one-night stand. The term lover can also refer to someone in an affair, but it is mainly used to describe someone with whom you have an intense sexual relationship. Unlike traditional relationships, there are no responsibilities or requirements in a lover relationship. Communication and romance are not emphasized, as the focus is solely on sex. Lovers do not have clearly defined boundaries and do not go on dates or hang out. Most lovers do not even label their relationship as such. In long-term relationships, passion tends to diminish, but lovers prioritize the heat of instant gratification. If you want a sexual partner without obligations, a lover-style arrangement may be ideal. However, it is important to have open and honest communication about the nature of the relationship. It is best to avoid a lover-style relationship if you easily develop emotional feelings or are not emotionally prepared. Finding someone who is respectful, open, honest, and interested in casual sex can be challenging.